For our 5.1 hands-on task, the first thing we need to do is make sure we have a math folder. So what you need to do is open a new tab, click that plus button, and then if you come to your 9 pins right here, go to your Google Drive. Now you're going to click on New and New Folder, and you're going to make a folder called 6th grade math, and you're going to press Create. And a folder is going to pop up, 6th grade math. We don't want to just shove everything in one spot. You can see I have folders so I can go and find stuff. So anytime we copy something in math, it needs to go into your math folder. So if you already have one, great. If not, Google Drive, New Folder, 6th grade math. If you need help with that, get help. So coming back here, you are watching this video now. Then you're going to come here and click on this. You're going to copy it, name it, file it. So when you click on this, it's going to bring up a screen and it's going to say copy, and you're going to click on the blue copy button. Right here, you're going to make a copy. So make a copy, and it is loading. Just click it one time. Every time you click it, it makes another copy. You want one copy. So we copied it. Now we're going to name it. Every time you copy something, it's called copy of. You do not want all of your assignments called copy of, then you can't find things. So all we come up here and do is erase the words copy of. Now it's called the right thing. So get rid of that. So we copied it, we named it. You can put your name at the end. Don't put your name at the beginning because then they're all called your name. So then the last thing is called file it. So it either looks like this or it will have just like a little folder. Sometimes it has a couple things like like that. So right here, we're going to click on this folder. So copy it, name it, file it. We're going to put it in a file. So we're going to come and we are going to say, I want it in my 6th grade math folder and I want to move it here. You can click here or here. Either way, you want to move it into that folder. So you can see it moved it into my folder. If I look here now, it shows that it's in my 6th grade math folder. So you copied it, you named it, you filed it. Every time you get something, you should be doing that to keep your Google Drive organized. So now you have this copy that you can work on. The next thing you need to do is you need to get a bag of M&Ms from Mrs. Richards, or the teacher say, do not eat these. Do not eat these yet. You're going to get a chance to eat them at the end. You need to do the activity before you eat them. So you get your bag, and the very first thing, you're going to be typing on here. So when you click in this box, you can type all of your answers here. And then you can also click here to type in your answers. The colon is right next to the L. You do have to do a shift to do that. So, right, you can write a fraction 3 ways. So I'm going to say I have 4 and 3. So I could write 4:3. So that's one way. You don't have to write all 3. You could write the word 2, or you can put a fraction slash. So you can do any of those that you want, but if you just click here, it will make you you can type on each. If you double click there, you just got to move your cursor to where you want to type. Okay, so there is that. That's how you use that. So we're going to do a little practice together. So I filed it, named it, or those are backwards, copied it, named it, filed it. I got my bag of M&Ms. So now I need to sort them out into colors. Then I'm going to fill this out. I have 3 red, 1 green, 3 blue, 1 yellow, 3 orange, and 2 brown. So everybody's going to have a different mixture of M&Ms. So this is going to be different for every person. Now you need to go through and you need to answer all of these questions. So my first one wants red, then blue. So I need to put red first, blue second. I have 3 red. I also have 3 blue. So that one really didn't matter. Okay, my next one, I want yellow, then brown. So 1 yellow, and then brown, I have 2. So it has to go in order. If I put the 2 first, that would be brown to yellow. Remember, order matters. You have to put them in the right order. My next one wants my total. And then I'm going to compare it to green. So I need to know how many M&Ms I had in my bag. So here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 M&Ms, but 3 of them are green. So 12 M&Ms, 3 of them are green. Make sure you're getting those in order. I'm going to do this one. It wants my blue. I have 3 blue. And my total we found was 12. So the blue is part of the total too. Those didn't get left out of there. I don't have 9 total. I had 12 total. Okay, let's try a couple other ones. So this one says red and blue together. That means adding those together compared to the yellow. So my red and blue, I had 3 red, 3 blue. So together I have 6 of these. And then my yellow, I just had 1. So if it says and, that means you're putting those into a group together. So this one wants the total, which we know was 12. And then it wants me to compare that to orange and brown together. So I can see I have 3 orange, 2 brown. So together I have 5 of those. I have 12 to 5. There's total of 12. 5 of those are orange and brown. So you're writing your ratio in order of what it asks, making sure you're listing the right thing. So go ahead and try that out and let us know if you need any help when you have it done. Just make sure you get it checked off with a teacher or a teacher aide. Oh yeah, and the most important part, when you have it checked off and it's all right, you are welcome to eat those M&Ms. Make sure your bag gets in the trash. I am not your maid. I don't get paid enough for that. So clean up your stuff and enjoy your M&Ms. All right, now to get your M&Ms, you've watched this whole video and you are going to come say the magic words to me or the teacher aide. You are going to come and tell us the magic words are exotic butter. Exotic butter. And that's how we'll know you've watched the whole video and are ready to follow directions. So come tell us the magic words to get your M&Ms.